Good day YouTube, this is DJ Eagle coming at you. Today we are unboxing a Soul Calibur. As you can hear, it makes noise. That was freaking my wife out. It was kind of funny. She had to throw it at me in the bathroom. But anyway, yes, this was originally going to be a Mortal Kombat unboxing, but for $400 I chose not to and decided to get this, and the Days Gone, which funny enough actually arrived in the post down here. Actually pick up, which is down here, which we'll be opening up a little later. So as you can see, this is the Xbox One, but it is a return product, and they said that the guy put a PS4 one in it, so we're going to find that out. So let's open her up and see what we get. So yeah, instead of paying $400, I got two collector's items for the same price and more goodies. So let's see. So inside the box, it makes noise still. So let's see what else we got in here. Take that off. So we found out what's making the noise. The noise is this steel case. It actually looks kind of nice. Apparently. Comes with the soundtrack inside there. And a very annoying button for the missus.
Welcome to the stage of history retold.
So anyway, we also have the Art of Soul Calibur. And it's pretty nice. It's hardback, so, and it's kind of embossed on the front here. It's kind of nice. And yep, EB Games was correct. It is a PS4 return instead of an Xbox One, which is good. I have PlayStation 4. I don't like Xbox One. I do have an Xbox One, but it's more of a heavy paperweight. Let's get to the statue. Let's see what Socrates statue looks like, and hope it's as nice as many other statues that we have hiding. So, not packaged as normal, it's actually packaged the same as the Assassin's Creed 4. It's just in plastic. My knife with me. There we go. I don't think this is going to improve overly. Somehow. Just slide it. There we go. That was a little hard to get in. Alright, so it's not posable in any way, shape or form. It's just a standing statue. So, there we go. It's the goodies you get. So we get the game. We got the 7-inch statue. The art. And the noisy case. All in all, for $70, I think that was worth it. Until the next one, I hope you enjoyed that.